Hi, my name is Mohammed Shakur Ahmed. I'm from Pakistan. Basically, I'm an international student, and I'm student of Nottingham Trent University, Nottingham Business School. My student ID N1132476, and my course in the management and international business. And before coming to this university, I'm too much afraid, and I don't have enough knowledge. But after coming this university, I have gained a lot of knowledge and experience, and my experience with this university is absolutely amazing. Before coming to this university, I was very afraid with my feared and nervous about my study. How will I manage everything with my study, job, accommodation? But coming this university, the enrollment staff is very good, student service is very good, and the employability section is too much good and very helpful, and teachers and classroom and campus. And basically, belong in a city campus. City campus is nearby the city center, and nearby the Victoria City Center and the tram stop. Everything is available, is markets, and the food market, shopping centers, and pubs. Everything is available in this area, and I'm very happy the part of this university, because I am learned too much, and I am uh, my teachers very supportive, and classroom is very good, and I'm learned too much with the help of different type of activities, and to demonstrate the engagement with the concept of sustainabilities and responsible management, and to understand how the aspect of the particular discipline contribute to one or more of the United Nations global goals for sustainable developments. I conduct research. I conduct research and engage in the following activities. I began by thoroughly understanding the 17 Sustainable Development Goals set by the United Nations. I started with the official United Nations Sustainable Development Goal website and relevant academic publications. And I looked for case studies, research papers, research reports, articles, and research related documents, and library research and related to management science that discuss how it contribute to our impact the achievement of the sustainable development goals. And I explore how management science can collaborate with other disciplines to address sustainable development challenge. And the sustainable development goals often require multidisciplinary efforts, and understanding these intersections is a vital. I took two courses, LinkedIn Learning, to get understanding the concept of sustainable development goals. First one is the LinkedIn is the learning is the best platform to learn about sustainable development goals. One course is the learning design for sustainabilities, and second one is the employee guides to sustainabilities. uh, this knowledge enable me to propose and contribute to projects and initiatives that aim to address the sustainable development goal relevant to our industry. It also help improve our corporate and social responsibility efforts, and enhanced our reputations, and as a responsible and a sustainable individuals. And our the over the past year, I have been pursue my master of science in management and international business, with a growing awareness of the United Nations goals, and United Nations goals, and global goals, and sustainable development goals, and their significance in today's global business landscape. My objective is to align my future career as a project manager, with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, integrating sustainable practice and principle into my work. And I plan to integrate the Sustainable Development Goals into the core of my project's management approach. This includes considering the environmental, social, and economic impact of each project and identifying how they can contribute to and specific and sustainable development goals. And I will conduct sustainability assessment for projects, identify potential environmental and social risk and opportunities. This will involve evaluating the environmental footprints of project and implementing strategies to reduce negative impacts. As a result of these actions, I expect to make a meaningful difference in my chosen profession as a project manager. By integrating the sustainable development goals into project management, I aim to lead projects that not only achieve their objectives but also contribute to broader sustainable development goals. This can enhance the long-term value and relevance of the project I oversee. And by conducting sustainability assessment and the implementing eco-friendly practice, my project can reduce environmental impact and improve social outcomes, which benefits not only the organization but also the communities we operate in. And including the sustainable development goals integrations in reporting fosters transparency and accountabilities, demonstrating and commitment to responsible management and responsible management and contributing to a culture of corporate social and responsibilities. In my current role as a through my academic background, I have gained a comprehensive understanding of responsible management and its significance in the business world. And responsible management refer to the practice of the leading and operating organization in a way that prioritize the ethical, social, environmental, and sustainable consideration alongside financial and operational concerns. And the responsible management is essential for fostering ethical leadership when business prioritize ethical decision making. It builds trust and credibility with which are crucial for long-term success. In a world grappling with environmental challenge like climate change and resources and resourceable management, it's crucial. Business that adopt sustainable practice not only reduce their environmental impact but also position themselves to thrive in a changing marketplace. Um, Responsible management recognize the interdependence of the various stakeholders including customer, employees, suppliers, and shareholders. By creating value for all stakeholders, businesses can enhance their reputation, customers, loyalties, and employee satisfactions. And the other one is responsible management practice help mitigate risk, both legal and reputationals. It's minimize the potential for a legal and illegal issue related to the unethical behavior or non-compliance with the regulations. In the main thing, the responsible management is not merely a moral or ethical consideration. It is the static is that is it's a static for the businesses by the integrating ethical and sustainable practice into their operations. Companies can improve the bottom line, mitigate risk, and that contribute to the more sustainable and equitable the world. Certainly, here an example of a situation where as a store manager, I had solve a problem as a part of a team. In my previous role as a store manager, we faced recruiting issues with inventory and management. Our store consistently struggle with overstocking. Here's a real-time example. Our stores are consistently struggle with overstocking some items while constantly running out of the others. This resulting in the increase of carrying cost, stock out, and dissatisfy of customer. But I brought together a cross-functional team, including the store assistant manager and inventory and control staff and sales representative. We needed a diverse group to understand the problem from multi perspectives. And we conduct a through analysis of our inventory data and just like the follow the method of the cost accounting, and that's just like a LIFO and FIFO, and the last in first out, first in last out is a very old method but is a very helpful. We conduct that through the analysis of inventory data. This involves examining sale trends, suppliers lead times, seasonal variations, seasonals items, seasonal variations, and customer preference. We use software tools and historical data to gather insight. In a series of team meeting, we engage in open brainstorming session. Everyone, the everyone is everyone, the everyone was encouraged to contribute ideas and insight regarding the inventory issue. We also consider customer feedback and complaints, and the customer feedback and complaints, it's very helpful for your organization because it's easily overcome. And because complaint is easily overcome organization. We review our current inventory management process and identifying the bottlenecks and in the efficiency. We look at how orders were placed, received, and managed, as well as the role of the sales staff in identifying the customer demand. And it's totally just like check customer demand and feedback and complaints and the customer need and wants. After several discussions, we identifying that the communication breakdown between sales staff and inventory control were a primary issue. Sales representative are not effectively communicate customer demands, leading to inaccurate stock forecasts. Just like not a proper trained staff inside of the store. That's why it's the staff not properly communicate with the customer and not convey the ideas of the top management and the lower management, middle management, just like a assistant store manager. And the assistant store manager, they don't know the main reason of the complaint. And that's why there's a conflict of the store staff to um, assistant manager, assistant manager to top manager. And we initiated a targeted training for sale representative to help them better understand the importance of the inventory management and their role in the process. We also improve communication channel and between sale and inventory control. The result of our actions was significant improve in inventory management over time, and we observed and we managed to reduce overstocking significantly, resulting in a lower carrying cost and less wastage. By improving communication between sale and sales staff and inventory control, stock out were minimized, leading to higher customer satisfaction and increased sale. The overall inventory management process become more efficient, saving time and resources. And look back, there are few things might have done differently. We could have identifying and addressed the inventory issues, so saving the stored money and improving the customer satisfaction. And while we made a significant improvement, we could have emphasized the importance of the continuous improvement and ongoing monitoring even more. And we initially overlooked the value of the direct customer feedback and identifying the inventory issue. We could have integrated customer feedback mechanism earlier. This experience as a store manager that taught me the value of the teamwork and data analysis and process improvement in the highlighted the importance of ongoing monitoring and adaptabilities to the maintaining success. And the the best management characteristics in uh, the best management characteristics in it's my opinion, um, effective effective communications, adaptabilities and problem solving and goal settings and many more. And the best, in my opinions, the top three characteristics in a successful manager, just like leadership skills, whether you are responsible for leading a team, a department, or and the entire company, developing effective management skill is essential in ensuring the positive experience for employees and successful outcomes for your organization. Even if you have been in a team management for several years, taking some time to the further develop and refresh your skill set, can help you become a more productive leader. Successful manager demonstrate strong leadership skill. They inspire and motivate their teams, set a clear visions and provide guidance, and they lead by the example, make through decision when necessary, and create a positive work environment that encourage growth and productivity. And the effective communication is a critical skill for the manager. It's the most important skill for the manager. The most must be able to convey their ideas, expectations, and feedback clearly, and listen actively to their team members. Effectively communications build trust, resolve conflict, and ensure that everyone is associated toward a common goal. The other one, the adaptabilities and problem solving. The are successful manager are adaptable and skill problem solver. They can negative change and uncertainty, um, make quick and well informed decision. The quick and well informed decision is a main part of the manager. They are resourceful in the finding solutions to the challenge, and can adjust their strategies and needed. Other one is just like a main part. There's a other quality of the manager, good manager, goal setting. They're one of the most difficult obstacles leaders face to the unifying their team, and goal setting. Setting clear and measurable goals help the team work together, and they achieve their objectives, and help them on bound over the shared success. And every most of people, I feel most of people feel different, have a different perception, but I feel that the I reflect and the characteristics of strong leadership skill and effective communication well, but recognize the importance of the further developing my adaptabilities and problem solving abilities to become an even more and effective manager in the future. Thank you.